guys, so welcome back to my beautiful channel. Anyways guys, so we are going to do my makeup tutorial. So we're gonna go with this Amuse cushion. I love it, it's pretty good. And then I just put it on. I love how small it is. And do you want to say hi? Okay. She's like, nah. Hi guys. You could ask them. So I am doing a makeup thingy because like the sun looks so good. So I'm gonna post this, Mama. Yeah, because like this looks so good. So it's gonna be like a little long video. So yeah, I just got from school. Nice. Hi guys. Oops. Oh, it's okay. Hi Rose. I just woke up. I have to get ready for school. I guess you're gonna be like me, but I'm done with school already. I was like done at school like 3 hours ago. Or like, yeah, my mom's like blocking the sun. It's okay. Anyways, where are you from? I'm from like Los Angeles. Are you on summer vacation? No, I'm in countryside. Oh my gosh, like. Are you Korean? I'm like 5%, you could say. Touch. My mom said I have to go hurry because like she said like the sun's gonna go out any moment. So then we have to hurry because like I'm going to do like a video with like the police, and then I have to like, you know, hurry because like the sun looks so good. Yay! What's your age? I can't say it. Sorry, guys. Oh my gosh. This looks so good. What brand are you using? I'm using the Miko. It's like the dupe of Dior, and I love this one because it's like cheap and good. How old were you when you dyed your hair? I dyed my hair when I was like 6, 7, because like I wanted to show myself, so. Hi, Bella. Okay, why is it so stressful? Anyways, we're gonna go with this highlighter. I love this one. Are you going to make this live so short? Yeah. Because, like, I have to have, like, this thingy, like, police thing. So, go watch it on Facebook. So. It kind of looks like I'm a bride. Okay, that's cute. Okay. Cute. Okay, I'm just gonna go with this. I love this palette. It's amazing. Where did you buy it? I bought this, like, I didn't really bought it. I got it from, like, a PR. And it's really nice. I like using this because, like, it's, like, little pink. Hood. Hi, Angie. Why are you in the car? I'm like hurrying because like I have to have this like important police thing in countryside, and that's why. Okay, let's just go look here. Wait, I don't know. Hi guys, you're so perfect, pretty. Oh, thank you. Okay. Okay, I love this like lippy. It's good. It's a tattoo. Okay, so this is my makeup look today, and I love you guys. And I'll just show you guys my fit check, so then I'll be over. Okay. Okay. Anyways, go a little like here. Okay, so fit check. So this is like from like the thrift store, and then this one is from like, what is this? From Tara? Yeah, Tara or Dessa. And then this one I got it from Zara, and yeah, that's my fit. And then this one I got it from Zara. Wait, I don't know. I forgot. Anyways, this one I got it like Korea, and that's it for my fit check. My necklace is from the airport, so And my earrings from Mongolian brand. And that is it. Like, just show, like, appreciate my makeup for a second. Like, okay. Yeah, anyways, like, I was drinking yogurt and then, like yogurt, like, spilled. Which was, like, horrifying, so. I don't know. What other can you speak good? No. I speak horrible in Mongolian. What's your Mongolian name? My Mongolian name is Tsunga, but it's my middle name. But I like to prefer Victoria. Okay, guys, bye. Peace.